It's time to welcome our next guest, and I'm very excited to introduce a very, very successful and San Francisco actor, a former student of Theo Bennett, the Karl-Heinz Teuber, has had a number of roles in Hollywood films, including a role in the Academy Award-winning film. Are you ready for this? Amadeus. Let's look at the clips with the Karl-Heinz as the wig maker with the Mozart.
This is a beautiful wig for you. It looks so marvelous and I love it.
The other one.
Here is the other one. I think you will love it. Here's the third one. So, here we go. How do you like it?
They're all so beautiful. Why don't I have 3 heads?
Oh, this is funny.
Welcome to my show, Karl-Heinz. It's nice to have you here. Okay, you know, this Amadeus is a very successful movie, right?
Yes.
It's been at many Oscar-winning.
Yes.
And great movie, great directors, and
yes.
many things, right?
Yes.
So
the movie won 8 Oscars.
Yes.
The director is Milos Forman. And this was what you just saw. We filmed this exactly 14 years ago. So long as it has been since the movie was made. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. I came there to be a hair and makeup assistant to a friend of mine who was in charge of the whole thing.
Yeah.
And before I was working 10 years for Vidal Sassoon, I'm a hairstylist.
Yes.
Yes. So this was, of course, a total different new field for me to do hair and makeup on such a big movie. But then came this moment where I was chosen to be an actor in this little scene. I was just the right person to the right time.
Well, you have very exciting, interesting story that how you become part of playing the part that Amadeus, right?
Yes,
Could you share
yes.
with us?
Yeah, oh good, yes.
Yes.
There was Milos Forman. He needed, I think, this actor there for this part, you know, and I also asked, would it be not nice that I could probably just stay in the corner there and being an extra? And then he said, do you think you can do this? And I said, don't worry, everything will be fine. I will never forget this. So I get a costume and a makeup, the wig. I said, okay. So I did this, and a few days later, I was driven to the set like the stars, and I thought, this is fabulous. I still didn't have any lines. And then Mozart had some lines. Of course, I looked at the script. And then I said, so what do you want me to do? He said, I'll do this a little bit and this a little bit. And suddenly, nothing really worked. And then came lunch, and I had a big beer.
That's German tradition,
yes,
right there.
And then we started again. And then suddenly I feel so loose and free, and I start singing and doing certain things, and people were laughing behind the camera. And I thought, okay, this is probably the right thing to do. So anyway, and we did it again and again from this side and from this side. And then in the end of the day, Milos was very happy. And a few days later, they saw the dailies and they said, oh, Karl, you did really good. This was fabulous. So something like this.
Oh, that's a very
Yes.
exciting story.
Oh,
Yes.
it's very
so
nice.
did you have that when you were a child? Did you know you want to play the role? And
Yeah, when I was a child, 5, 6, 7 years old, I always wanted to become a dancer or an actor and also a hairdresser. We were a big family, and I was running around with a comb all the time and combed the whole family during lunchtime. And then later
when
on,
you were 5, 6 years old, you want
something.
to
Oh yeah, was a combing everybody, and then I was always play something with children, and yeah, it was always something.
Isn't that, I don't know, your culture, isn't that for the boy to want to play the hairs? It's kind of very...
No, there were
strange.
hairdressers around. I mean, this was a few years ago, so I
the
don't know
reason
anyone
I'm saying
exactly how
that
it
is
was.
when I'm saying that when I was training in a martial art,
Yes.
and in my country, the girl, you're supposed to learn how to cook and sew. We'll find your husband, you produce 12 sons. And how dare you talking about, thinking about even training in martial arts. So there's
Yes.
a cultural thing that was really behind.
There was similarity when I was growing up and a teenager then, and I said, yes, I want to be a hairdresser, and I want to be an actor. Oh, no, this is not good. Oh, no, no, hairdresser, this is not right for
Yes.
you. You have to become a businessman.
Yeah.
This is good. This is what we want, you know.
Right,
So I was a nice boy and followed my parents, but later on in life, both came out meeting the right person to the right time. Suddenly I became hairdresser, had a great Sassoon career with Vidal Sassoon, a hairdressing career with Vidal Sassoon. And later on, through the same person, I became an actor.
How did it change your life after you played Amadeus? It changed your life?
Yes, I changed my life totally. You know, I wasn't then not anymore employed with Vidal Sassoon. They asked me to come back, but I said, no, thank you very much. I think I have to do something. Still didn't know how.
Yes.
And then I rented a chair. That's what you do here, and had my clientele and start making my living. Still didn't know much about the business of acting. And slowly I went to classes and to schools and made a movie here and another one there.
Well, you're talking about class. The Fair Bennett was you and his class,
Yes.
right? So tell me about what kind of student he was.
He's a wonderful student.
Say something good, please.
Well, Carl, of course, has tremendous energy and imagination.
Yes.
But what really amazed me was his emotional depth, and he brought a real sense of truth to what he did on stage, and that was a real contribution to the class. Yeah.
And I have to say, I went to different classes before, and there was an acting teacher, a woman, and she said, you are such a natural, I'm not messing around much with you. And I learned a lot of things there. But later on I went to Phil's class, and with the Stanislavski system, I learned so much more to it.
Oh,
and
that's
it was
great.
exactly on the day today I started my new movie a year ago, where I had the starring role. And before I was in Phil's class.
Right.
And then I was really able to do this.
Right, he's emphasizing really body, mind, and soul,
Yes,
and
yes.
completeness together.
Absolutely.
Yes.
You can be born with a great voice, but you have to train it in order to get better. The
How
same
is
with
it for you?
acting.
Do you have this German accent?
Yes.
Is that any way they're getting benefit, or?
Sometimes
benefit?
it is, and they find that they have a more international feeling than just an American thing, and sometimes they say, get out of here,
Yeah.
you know? So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, you know?
So when you go back to your country
yes.
right now, do people recognize you?
I don't know. No, not really yet, you know. But I think this movie, when this comes out, which I did a year ago, today
But
starting a year.
Make sure you let them know.
Oh God,
you
yes.
Play that.
The infamous Day After Tomorrow, done by a very young and very talented young man,
Yes.
Jeremy Tarr. And it will be shown about in 2 months in Los Angeles. It's a big screening there.
Yeah.
A video game just came out, The Last Express, which we did 3 years ago, has very high ratings in Germany. So I'm very happy about this. And
I have a question, both
Please.
of you. The world is what is the word of wisdom that you want to share with the people, those who are really seeking and looking forward to become a, playing an acting career? What would you say to them?
What would I say?
Yeah.
Only enter it if you can donate yourself to it. Don't ask so much what you can get from it, but what you can give to people
that's beautiful.
through the art.
Yes.
like Stanislavski said, love the art in yourself.
Yes.
Yes.
And not you in the art.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
What I say to young people, they definitely have to learn and they have to love it. Plus, they should also look for a little job on the side. If they have another talent, then
Yes.
acting is such a thing. You have not always a movie there which can bring you the money. Also enjoy something like I enjoy my hair cutting, yeah? And thanks God, it's another talent. So I never waste a minute of my life of doing something which I don't like to do.
Wow, okay, you know what? Time going so fast. Did you notice that? We're
Oh,
just
God.
having good time
Yes.
here.
I never have enough time.
You have to come back again, all right?
Okay,
thank
thank
you
you
for
very
being
much.
here.
Thank
And
you.
thank
It was a
for being
Thank
pleasure.
you
here.
so
Yes,
much.
okay.
Thank you.
I'm sorry we're out of time for now. When we come back, I'll bring you my message from the heart. We'll be right back.